To get it open, there's 4 of these, one on each corner, and so you just want to in a much nicer way pop these off. Come on. Get those off. You will flip it over to the other side. On here, there are 2 plastic plugs that go in here. They're hard to get out without damaging them, but they have to come out. Underneath these 2 plastic plugs are 2 screws, 2 Phillips screws. So you'll just unscrew them, and the case will come apart. And inside the case you'll find this. This is what it is. Here's the battery pack. So there's 3.7 volt, 3.3 amp hour lithium polymer batteries. So they're in series, to get whatever 12 volts. They are in series. There's no circuit protection here. That comes from here. So it's 3.3 amp hours, and this says 68.8 amp hours on this, which is not true. In here are 4 mAh 3045 CT diodes. That's what that is. So it's definitely not, actually, the spec is wrong. It's not built to what the spec is. Surprise, surprise. And so what I did wrong is I connected a small TV to this and ran it until it died. And when the TV died, this also died. The middle battery here failed. I only had it for about a week. And so I definitely don't suggest this one. I'm not happy with it. But that's what it is. I guess that's it.